So hello everyone, I am Sonakshi Tripathi, a BTech CSC student, and today I am presenting my project titled Mind Horizon, which addresses an extremely important issue, mental health among children. So what's the problem? Mental health issues among children are often underreported and go unnoticed due to lack of regular monitoring. This leads to delayed interventions and worse outcomes. In this project, we will address the solutions also. Here I am clicking about us page. You can see here it is written that why mental health matters and what we offer here and how we can help. And now I'm clicking on features. You can see interactive fun, insightful reports, personalized tips, and here programs. What are the programs here? There are many programs like therapy sessions, blogs, self help resources, meditations, and here are the comments also. What people reviewed us. And when we click on explore more, here you can see therapy sessions are there, blogs, self help resources, meditation, mindfulness. Okay, so here we are clicking on blogs. Here we can see how to cope with anxieties, daily self-care routine for students, why talking helps, the power of expressions. Here we tackle all the problems. And here therapy sessions are also there. These are the therapists. And here we are going to see what are the meditation tips. Here you can see simple meditation tips. And here are the videos also where we provided the YouTube links. Okay, so you can see our impact in numbers and voices of parents. You can see how parents commented. This is footer, and here are the privacy policies. You can see terms of services are there. LinkedIn links are also there. Here you can see I'm tapping it. My project aims to build a digital tool that continuously tracks children's well-being, flags early signs of concern, and helps caregivers and professionals provide timely care. From here we are starting our adventure. You can see here I will write my first name, emails and everything, and from here I will sign up. You can see how it works. Fill your password, and here we are all set. And now click on sign up. Okay, you can see localhost says in backend we used PHP, and it is the login form. You can see here we will write our email and password, and it's all working from backend also. Spark your journey. Yes, you can see you can create your account also if you are not already signed up. It is working too. Here you can see I'm logging in. Yeah, and here it is showing that user doesn't exist because I was not earlier signed in. Okay, so let me fill again, and here login, and yes, login successful. Welcome. So this is our project. Welcome to Mind Horizon, nurturing young minds. Start your cosmic quest. Here you can have questions also about your minds, and here you can see what people says about us, and here are the links of YouTube channels you can watch. These are helpful video resources. And here this is our footer. And now let's dive into home page. So yes, here you can see this is our home page, and now we will go to resources. Here you can see what are the resources we availed. Helpline numbers are there, self-assessment quiz, and they are all working. And from here you can download your PDF, which is also known as your result, what you did in your quiz. Here you can see the guide. This is your report. Yeah, you can see guide. It will be very helpful for you all. Me and my team designed it with a soft, welcoming interface using HTML, CSS, and Tailwind CSS for a clean and responsive layout. It features a hero section with a powerful message to create emotional connection with the visitor. This self-assessment tool is very interesting. You can see it asks questions and you have to give answers, and you will get your report also, that how's your mood going on. And here are the parents tips. Here you can see children's chart. Phone number is given, 24 hours it is working, 1098. You can see. Yes, and you can see, and also you can search it by city also. Like here I am writing Mumbai. You can see. If any branch is there in Mumbai, so it will show you. This is my consulting team, you guys can see. And here it will show you your weekly mood journey. You can see. We can also say that it's a report of your how you're feeling. So it's written there, 36%. Rainy days we are here. Daily mood boost, I did it. So for front end we use HTML, CSS, Tailwind CSS for modern UI and responsiveness. Here you can see our codes. And for backend we used PHP to handle server-side logic and connect to the database, and also MySQL for storing user data, child profiles, mood tracking, etc. And authentication, PHP sessions for user logging and session management, form validation using PHP, password encryption using password hash and password verify, role-based access if implemented to show different data dashboards for parents, teachers, etc. We have implemented secure user authentication using PHP and MySQL. Every user must register and log in using the login form, which is validated on the server side. Once logged in, PHP manages their session and different users see personalized data. Passwords are encrypted using PHP password hash before storing in the database. Login checks use password verify for secure comparison. Sessions are created using $session to keep users logged in. And live demo, register a user login with the new user, try accessing dashboard without login to show redirection. Here are the codes which we implemented, me and my team. Here you can see. And also here we use PHP myadmin for storing our data and for my backend. I believe that this project has the potential to make a meaningful difference in how we approach children's mental health by creating a safe digital space where their emotional needs are heard, tracked, and supported. That's all about this project. Thank you so much.